friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you a mega enabler alert at the Heartfelt Creations website. And I'll tell you something, if you have not yet used my link for $20 off your first Heartfelt Creations purchase of $40 or more at their website, now is the time to do it because you are going to be raking in on those savings. So we are on the shop page, and on the shop page you go down to where it says limited editions, and once you click on limited editions you are going to come across a ton. I mean, they have a ton of sales, and once these selections are gone, they are gone. And oh my gosh, you're not gonna believe these prices. I mean, they put a ton of stuff on clearance, and I'm gonna be doing some shopping after I get off this video, after I upload this video for you. And oh my gosh, this is already out of stock. I checked it about an hour ago and it was still there. So yeah, stuff is going pretty fast. And I guess let me go ahead and because I've already taken a look at this and I want to put a couple of things in my cart before they sell out. And look at this, flip fold albums, add to cart. You better believe it. And I'm gonna add a couple more because these are awesome. So yeah. And also, we have these right along here. You can use, I use the fold out cards and the flip fold inserts, but they also have the flip fold inserts, which are less like $1 less than the fold out cards. But you got to take a look at the sizes that you're going to use. And you've seen the Heartfelt Creations, the size of the album before in my other videos, and I'll try to remember to link you to my unboxing videos from Heartfelt Creations so that you can have a better look at how those albums are. And look, classic wedding paper. Oh my gosh, that is such an awesome deal. And I need to take a look and see, available until January 26th or while supplies last. Sugar Spun Creative Essentials. Oh, it doesn't have pictures, but what is it? Okay, you get the cupcake die, you get the paper collection, and the cling stamp set. So I guess you can click on these to see what they are. And so they have the Merry and Bright paper collection. Look, $12.50. Happy Camper paper collection, $12.50. Oh my word, how fun. And they also have this cute paper that I saw earlier. Oh yeah, definitely, I definitely want this. Definitely. Okay, it's added to my cart. And so yeah, that flowering dogwood paper is nice too, but that'll be like a second choice to see. Oh Holy Night Creative Essentials, check this out, $53.60. And I do believe that they have just the paper as well, and I've bought this before, and I believe I do have a whole video showing you all this. It's a beautiful paper, and I do think they have a bundle for that as well. But look, their classic dies are on sale, and this Sugar Spun paper collection is also super cute. I've taken a look at all of this before I made this video, so I already know what I want to buy. And look at this, they have the Happy Camper Creative Essentials. I do like it, but I don't care for this and this, so I'm not gonna get it this time around, especially since y'all know how great I am at coloring, right? Wink wink. Oh my gosh, but I love this. I love this. Love, love, love it. And they do have the paper. Okay, here's the Floral Fashionista paper collection. Just for $12.50, guys. If you don't want to get the bundle like I just did with the dies and the stamps, look at that. Look how cheap it's marked down. I don't want to use the word cheap, but y'all know what I mean. And oh my gosh, this is out of stock. It's been out of stock for a while. But I would love to have their albums in black. And here it is, the Classic Wedding Creative Essentials. If you want to get it with the dies and the stamps, it's $53.60, which is not a bad price at all, But I just got me the paper collection, and Blazing Poppy. I don't know whether I have to check my stash to see if I have that. And we keep going. There's this other paper pad that I want to get. And look, we have the Flowering Dogwood Creative Essentials as a pack with this. Oh yeah, well, yeah, $53.60. And I was going to point out to one of those molds. They're selling it here for $15. That is so cheap. And so anyways, right here they have the Petit Florals 3D mold stamp and die bundle for $35.99, which is excellent. And oh my gosh, look, they have the pocket. Oh, it's out of stock already. Oh no. Okay, so they have the Tropical Hibiscus die. I wonder if they also have the stamp and the mold thing. I forgot to check earlier. And they have their mixed scrap bags, which is awesome. And oh my gosh, over here. Oh no, I don't see the paper. I don't see the paper that I've been wanting. They took it out already. They couldn't have. I must have missed it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's that fish paper. The fish paper. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's not there. Look, in the 15 minutes that it took for me to walk to the kitchen to get my some water so that I could take my meds, they pulled it out. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. No, it was there before and now it's gone. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Hang on a second. Let me look because I really wanted that paper. Oh, I love those stamps. Oh, here's the stamps for that hibiscus die set. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It's gone. Help me find it. They have the dies. Oh, and that kitty cat paper too. I wanted the kitty cat paper as well. Is this it? Out of stock! Ah! It's already out of stock. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and upload this video, and I'm going to check out before more stuff that I want goes out of stock. So yeah, thank you for watching, and remember to use my $20 off your purchase of $40 or more to rack in on those savings. And thank you for watching. I'll see you once again real soon. Bye.